Hey, I'm Javi from Deploy, and I will be showing you how to use Cursor with Deploy when you want to connect remotely to a development environment. So in this case, I will assume that you don't have any projects. So let's just create a new project. Let's choose Bun, New, and Postgres for our database. And now we're ready. In this case, I'm just going to create a quick launch. So it's for a demo project. We launch the stack. This will take a few seconds. And now our application is launching. We're launching a new project. So the first environment that will be deployed is a development environment in which you can directly code from your browser, or in this case, we will be using Cursor. To connect using Cursor, the first thing we have to do is wait until the development environment is ready. And we will know that it's ready when this coding browser button flashes blue like it just did. And then we can click on this plus button. And here we have the option to open in Cursor. If you want to pin this option to your development environment, all you have to do is click the pin icon, and that's it. Now you will have Cursor enabled for quick launch at any moment. Now in this case, I have shown you the example in which you have to create a new project. But if you already have a project created, you don't need to create a new one to be able to use Cursor, since Cursor is now available for any development deployment that you launch. So in this case, let's open another project that I have in here, where I have a development environment, and as you can see, I have Cursor enabled for it. So it doesn't matter if it's a new project or a previous project, Cursor will be available for you to open your remote development environment